November 7, 2011, Philadelphia boxing legend and former undisputed heavyweight champion, Smoking Joe Frazier has passed away at 67. Frazier was diagnosed with liver cancer in late September. His condition never appeared to improve and he was moved to hospice care earlier this month. Frazier is best known for his fights with Muhammad Ali and George Foreman, which defined a generation. Though he was born in South Carolina, it was Philadelphia that Joe called home. Scenes from the movie Rocky were taken from real-life experiences which Frazier was never credited for. His rivalry with Ali was built upon the fight of the century and the Thrilla in Manila. These fights didn't just change the face of boxing but also had a deeper impact socially, not just in the United States but the whole world. Frazier is survived by his sons,